Greetings and welcome back to my channel. It's Christmas in November. 150 bucks. Bought me this today. I lucked out. Word processor. What's in the box, man? Ooh, 800 XL. Made in Hong Kong. Woo! That's the star of the show so far. Got a koala pad. Joystick in the box. Some manuals for the computer. Atari Rider, Pole Position, Jumpman, Star Raiders, Pac-Man. And the koala cartridge for the koala pad. Yeah! There's some other manuals in there. Spider Eater. Sweet, I just picked all this up. Shitty 800 XL power supply, that'll go in the garbage. We got some various discs. Oh, that, you know what that means, kids? Discs, more discs. What could it be? What could... Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Indus GT. Disk drive. Indus GT power supply. Woohoo! I got a brand new one for the 1050. I got MPP 1150 parallel printer interface. Printer. What kind of printer is it? It's probably an Oki Data. They were pretty. It's a Reitman 2 printer. SIO cable. Atari ST power supply cable. Yeah. SIO cable. Some Reitman cartridges. And RF. Not a bad haul. Not a bad haul. Sweet. Galactic Avengers Spider Invasion. Discs. Jumpman. Disc. Atari Rider. The fart's there. That's good. Sweet. Pole position. Cartridges in there. Ooh, big box Star Raiders. Me likey. This is pretty cool, man. Big box Pac-Man too. It feels like the cart's in there. These are great to have. So, what does 150 bucks get you? That's what it gets you. Sweet! I've got work, and I've got some stuff to clean and repair. Woohoo! Paul's a happy guy. That was exciting. So I'm going to get to work. There's a ROM chip I can get for the Indus GT that speeds it up, makes it faster. The Atari 800 XL is made in Hong Kong. So that means the motherboard's entirely socketed. Printer, it'd be nice if I got that printer running. Koala pads are always good to have if they work. Yeah, it's a great haul. Woohoo! Not too shabby. There's some other knickknacks in here and some other stuff, but not bad for 150 bucks. I like. Me likey. Alright guys, well thanks for that pickup. I mean, I just got it. I just dropped it down here and fired up the camera. So there we go. Paul's a happy guy. Alright, well thanks for watching. That was quite fun, and visit 8bitfix.com. Thanks, and happy holidays to you. Bye-bye.